Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Webtech Tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how to join a meeting on the RingCentral application. So let's get started right away. First of all, just open up the RingCentral app and then go ahead and log into your account using your email address and your password. Now, once you have logged into your account, you will be taken into your homepage, which looks like this. Now, from your homepage, you can directly start a new meeting by tapping on the plus icon at the bottom right corner and then creating a team. Now, if you wish to join a meeting or create a video meeting, you can also tap on the video tab at the bottom left section. Once you tap on this, you will be taken into the video section. Now, from this page, if you wish to start a meeting, you can tap on the start option at the top left. In order to join a meeting, simply tap on join. You will then be asked to either enter a meeting ID or you can also use a meeting name by tapping on join with meeting name. Now just go ahead and type in the meeting name or the meeting ID and then tap on the join button. You can also select to not connect your audio by enabling don't connect to audio. After tapping on the join button, you will successfully join the meeting on the RingCentral application. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to join a meeting on the RingCentral application. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.